If you are a home cook or professional chef looking for a frying pan that offers not just performance, but also long-lasting durability, then this Swiss Diamond non-stick frying pan with lid is your perfect match. Crafted to the highest Swiss standards, this pan combines cutting-edge technology with convenience to help you create perfect dishes every time. Why Swiss Diamond frying pan with lid is a game changer. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its diamond-reinforced non-stick coating. The Swiss-made non-stick surface is infused with real diamonds, offering superior durability and an ultra-slick cooking surface. This means that you can cook with less oil or even without any fat, allowing you to create healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Whether you're cooking eggs, fish, or vegetables, your food will effortlessly slide off the surface every time. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that are limited to stovetop use, the Swiss Diamond frying pan with lid is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can sear, sauté, and even finish your dishes in the oven, making it perfect for recipes that require both stovetop and oven cooking. The versatility of this pan helps you create dishes that would otherwise require multiple cooking vessels. When it comes to cooking, controlling moisture is essential for perfect results. The adjustable steam vent built into the lid allows you to control the amount of steam released while cooking, providing precise control over the moisture in your food. This ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection without overcooking or drying out. Plus, the oven-safe lid helps preserve moisture and heat, making it perfect for simmering, braising, and slow cooking. Cleaning up after cooking doesn't have to be a chore. The Swiss Diamond frying pan is designed with a rivet-free handle, which means there are no hard-to-reach places for food particles to get stuck. This makes the cleaning process effortless. Just wipe it down with a soft cloth or wash it by hand, recommended for longevity. The non-stick coating also helps prevent food from sticking, so your cleanup is quick and easy. The ergonomic handle is designed to offer a comfortable, secure grip while cooking. It remains cool to the touch, even when the pan is hot, ensuring your safety while cooking. The handle's rivet-free design further enhances its durability, making it a sturdy, long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, you'll enjoy complete control. Swiss Diamond Cookware is known for its exceptional quality and performance. Each pan is built with cast aluminum for a lightweight yet durable design, ensuring that the pan will resist warping and retain its shape over time. The diamond-reinforced non-stick surface further boosts the durability of the pan, meaning it will continue to perform at the highest level for years. Key features at a glance: diamond-reinforced non-stick coating for healthier cooking with no oils. Oven-safe up to 500 degree Fahrenheit for versatile cooking options. Rivet-free design for easy cleaning and a smooth cooking surface. Adjustable steam vent in the lid for precise cooking control. Ergonomic, stay-cool handle for added safety and comfort. Swiss-made craftsmanship for superior durability and performance. Who should buy the Swiss Diamond non-stick frying pan with lid? Health-conscious home cooks? Perfect for anyone who wants to reduce the amount of oil used in cooking while still achieving delicious, non-stick results. Professional chefs, a high-quality, reliable pan that can withstand the rigors of a professional kitchen and still deliver exceptional results. Busy parents or home cooks, its easy-to-clean, non-stick surface and oven-safe capabilities make it an excellent choice for quick, hassle-free meals. Cooking enthusiasts, if you're someone who loves experimenting with different cooking methods and recipes, this pan will help you do so with ease. Why this pan is a must-have in your kitchen. If you're tired of struggling with flimsy cookware or pans that can't handle the heat, the Swiss Diamond non-stick frying pan with lid is a game changer. Its durable construction, versatile features, and easy-to-clean surface make it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing healthy meals for your family or experimenting with new recipes, this frying pan ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. Final thoughts. Say goodbye to your old sticky frying pans and upgrade to the Swiss Diamond non-stick frying pan with lid. With its innovative design, healthier cooking options, and durability, it's a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. Whether you're preparing a quick dinner or a gourmet meal, this frying pan makes it easier, faster, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.